Hi, Casey.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
How can I help you?
Um, well, as I said in my email, I'm a little confused as to what the marketing plan entails. In one place you have it as 6 sections, another place you mention it as 11 sections.
Okay, you're in MBA 607.
No,
What are you in?
marketing 301.
Oh, you're in the intro class. Okay. Why don't you pull up your screen for me? Share your screen.
Yep.
Okay. And then you're in the syllabus. I can't see that screen. Why can't I see your screen? Okay. All right. I cannot see your screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it up on my other computer. All right, you have your syllabus open. Is that what I'm trying to see here?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So open that. And then what else you have open? Just the syllabus?
Syllabus in that Google Doc you have linked on the syllabus.
What page on the syllabus is it?
Uh, Bottom of three, top of four.
Okay. I don't have that chart on my syllabus. That's weird. Frick. That's when, okay, I don't have this chart.
I mean, that
There's a,
chart is on the Google Doc that you're linking to.
oh, I see. Okay, so that's the, okay. All right, so let's see now. Course satisfying your work individually on a group, blah, blah. Abbreviated, okay, here's the abbreviated. It says abbreviated marketing plan are separated in 11 sections. So this is the abbreviated marketing plan, right?
Yes.
Okay, so, okay, what's the question? Now I have the documents. What's your question?
Well, the syllabus says that it's in 11 sections. That Google Doc says it's 6 parts. And then on the D2L page, there's a graded section for each chapter. That looks like it's
Oh,
part of the marketing plan.
okay, so the on that chart, I give you 6 chapters where you can find this information.
Sure.
So if it's 11 sections, that means I don't need to show you the other relevant chapters. Maybe there's no other relevant chapters for the other sections.
Do you have an assignment sheet for this assignment?
What do
Like
you mean?
showing the requirements? A
If you
sample,
scroll, well,
maybe?
there, I don't have a sample. Um,
I
it
mean,
says,
I
oh,
am struggling to. The issue I'm having is your class seems incredibly disorganized. I don't have a problem with challenging material, but the way you're presenting it is so challenging.
okay, tell me why is it challenging? Explain.
Like I just said, the syllabus says that
How
it's
is
in
it? How
11.
is it? No, 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 no. The fact that you can't understand it doesn't mean that it's challenging. I've taught in this class for 17 years, and I've used the same material for
I can
17
tell
years.
because you haven't updated it for the summer online session.
How so?
Okay, so I'm still sharing my screen. I'm
Yeah.
pulling up that
Mhm.
quiz that you will
Mhm.
not give me points for. Question 2, what will
Okay.
D2L do if your assignments are late? Your syllabus does not say close the box and allow late submissions.
So is my syllabus supposed to say close the box, or you're supposed to use critical thinking to figure that out? Am I supposed to give you word by word everything, or are you supposed to figure it out with common sense?
Well, that's the problem. I question
I'm
who
not going
has.
to listen. I'm not going to spoon feed you. The fact that you are
Can
doing
you let me talk?
I'm answering your question. You said I
No, you're
don't give your
not. You're
points.
ignoring me and trying to talk
I'm
over
okay.
me.
Go ahead. Speak, Mr. Casey.
Your condescension isn't helping.
And your condescending is not helping, because you tell me that my thing is confusing and challenging, and it is not. So I'm trying to explain to you that it's not. It is not condescending. You are condescending. Do not project on me.
Do we need to get the dean involved?
You can call the dean involved, please, or the
Geez.
president or the provost. Why don't you do that? Maybe that will help. Maybe they can explain it to you.
Okay, just so you know, this meeting is recorded.
I don't care.
Okay, so can you open your syllabus?
My syllabus is open.
Okay.
And let's go back to the first question that you had. The
Yes.
first question that you had.
Yes.
Go back to it. Ask me the question.
Is there an assignment sheet for the marketing plan?
No, that's not the first question. You're talking about the accusation that you told me that I did not give you a point for. Let's go back to that point.
Okay. Can you read what you have for late assignments on the syllabus?
No, you read it.
You are
I,
allowed to
I'm the
submit late
instructor
assignments.
here.
However, be prepared that Brightspace D2L and Connect will automatically deduct 5, 10% per day for late assignments, depending on the assignment. That's what your syllabus says.
Yes. So what?
Question 2 on the quiz is, what will D2L do if your assignments are late? You say close the box and does not allow late submission. That is not what your syllabus says.
Isn't that implied, Casey? Isn't that
No,
implied? Okay. If I say to you in my syllabus that you are going to lose points from the syllabus, isn't it implied that the thing is going to be closed? Isn't that implied?
no, it
If
means
you're
it's going
going
to
to lose
deduct, you can
points,
submit, but it's going to deduct points.
does it say it's going to submit? Does the syllabus say it's going to submit?
Yes,
Where does it say it's going to
I
submit?
just read it to you. That's why you are allowed to submit late assignments.
Okay.
That is what your syllabus says.
Okay.
So your quiz question is incorrect.
No, it's not. It says you can submit. It did not say that. It did not say you can submit it on D2L.
Okay, this meeting is no longer productive. I'm gonna reach out to my advisor.
Go ahead.
Mark of a great teacher. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.